Hello gang, we are literally driving past Perandaba, one of the most secretive weapons-grade uranium enrichment plants in the world.
In the 1970s and 80s, South African engineers, completely cut off by sanctions, invented one of the wildest uranium enrichment methods ever built, the Helicon vortex process. No spinning centrifuges, no giant diffusion walls, just supersonic hydrogen vortices inside stationary tubes powered by the jet engine style compressors. They turn gold mining tailings into highly enriched uranium using a pure fluid dynamics genius most countries still don't fully understand. Right here, they produced enough for multiple nuclear devices. And then, in 1991, South Africa did something no other country has ever done. They voluntarily dismantled every single device, melted the uranium down, and opened the doors to the world for verification. Today the gates look sleepy, but the ingenuity is firing up again, literally on this site. ASP Isotopes just signed an MOU with NEXA last month to bring quantum enrichment lasers right here to Perandaba for HALEU production. Low-cost fuel for next wave of small modular reactors. Shovels are already in the ground for test facilities.
Still driving past it, it's a rather large operation.
Backed in part by TerraPower's funding, the same ruthless engineering bloodlines that built Helicon are now laser focused on breaking the global HALEU bottleneck. From Helicon to new quantum laser tech reviving this exact spot for clean energy's future. Perandaba in 2025. The past is still visible. The future is enriching right here.
To our right, we can clearly see the flare stacks at the site. This is close to the reactor. And visible now or anytime soon, you'll be able to see the reactor building. Yep, you can see the reactor building. And in the direction we are driving, which is east, at the other flare stacks, just before we're going to turn left, is the Y and Z buildings, where the actual enrichment took place. And I am guessing that the new QLE enrichment will happen in the same area, this part of the site, rather than closer to the research reactor.